It's important for you all to draw this graph, and here clear instructions are given. Like you have to give your number 1, and if you quit, escape or avoid, and if you have to give yourself 10 marks if you do it with all sincerity and excellence. So just cover these points, think of yourself in all these situations and give yourself the points in this from here and mark it in the graph. Now we have to deal with the principles to improve our self-esteem. See, we have studied about the reasons that are blocking our self-esteem. Now we will study the solutions to that factors that will help in our that will help in improving our self-esteem. So first of all, it is be genuine and creative. See, our life has given us many more opportunities, and our parents have always tried to give all the opportunities to us. So it is up to us whether we are using those opportunities or not. Whenever the opportunity knocks at your door, you have to exploit that opportunity. So first one is be genuine and creative. Life is full of opportunities. Whenever an opportunity knocks at your door, accept it with grace. Set goals and take regular manageable steps towards the actualization of your goals. Actualization of your goals means towards achieving those goals, to make those goals into reality. Try to do all tasks with new and creative energy. Do not try to imitate or compare with others. This is the major thing what you all do. दूसरों को कॉपी करना, दूसरों से compete is okay, but compare करना कि वो अच्छी है या बुरी है, या वो अच्छा है बुरा है, मेरे पास ये नहीं है उसके पास वो है. So all these things they will always block you. Better to come over it. अपने आप को compare खुद से करो, दूसरों से compare नहीं करो. This is what generally I do. I never compare myself with others. I compare when they are good with me. So I motivate myself with that. अगर कोई दूसरा मेरे से अच्छा है तो मैं मोटिवेट होती हूँ कि मुझे भी अच्छा करना है. मोटिवेट होना अलग होता है और जेलसी होना अलग होता है. So children, try avoiding such situations where you compare yourself with others and get jealous of them. Jealousy is different and motivation is different. Then give a self-affirmation. Like you have to try to get into the habit of self-evaluation at the end of the day. Like always try to evaluate yourself, what is positive in me and what is negative in me. With time, try to eradicate or remove those negative nature things or negative factors from yourself. So that comes under give a self-affirmation point. Make a habit of self-evaluation. Make a habit of self-evaluation at the close of the day. Give positive credit to yourself for the victories and decide to improve further. Self-appreciation has greater power to boost your excellence. Don't be proud of your material possessions, but value your internal wealth. That is being proud of your... I'll repeat it again. Don't be proud of your material possessions, but value your internal wealth. That is being proud of your values, sense of purpose, goal setting, hard work, etc. Seeking to live your cherishing values will increase your self-esteem. So what all values are there in you which you are proud of? So start developing it more and giving a positive example to others as well. Then next in the list is formulate positive mental imagery. Imagine with emotional thrill that you are performing well in every attempt you take. Practice with confidence. Wherever you are, imagine yourself in an emotional thrill, emotional excitement. Practice with confidence. Whatever you are doing, do it with confidence. Think of a person who excelled in the task and imitate the person in imagination. Think positively, which will tend to fondle positive outcome. Never entertain thoughts like I may go wrong, I may forget. Always think what's the best possible outcome. Accept that your thoughts are major contributors to your emotions. This is what is being generally told in the book The Secret. So whatever it is being told is that always focus on positive things. पॉजिटिव सोचोगे तो पॉजिटिव अट्रैक्ट करोगे, नेगेटिव सोचोगे तो नेगेटिव अट्रैक्ट करोगे. दिस इज द जनरल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अवर लाइफ. I have experienced this too. Whenever I thought like I'm going to fall, and You won't believe, but I actually fall. But whenever I think, okay, if I may fall, I will see it, but I will not fall. I will not fall. I will not fall. So that will help you not to fall. So these are things. I'm just giving an example. So these are things which help you in developing your self-esteem. You have to develop a positive mental imagery. Always think of positive situations. Then be truly grateful. Be truly grateful here, like you have to be always thankful. There are many students who study insincerely and who never are thankful to teachers, who take the teachers for granted, parents for granted, family for granted. Family for granted. So all this should not be there. जिसका जो है उसके लिए thankful होना चाहिए. Be thankful to whatever you have. So this will again improve your self-esteem. With gratitude, count your blessings right now. Write a daily or weekly gratitude list, thanking people who have helped you or brought love into your life. Even though there are some problems now, think they will turn into a blessing in future. Look for the silver lining. Look for the hope. Then practice healthy self-care. So healthy self-care will means include exercising, include sufficient sleep in your daily routine, then do exercise and practice regular diet, healthy balanced diet in your daily chores or daily routine. So I use the word chores here, so that chores, the spelling for it is chores. The another word for chores is routine. Okay, so practice healthy diet and balanced diet, practice meditation, exercise and all this in your daily life. Love yourself. Take time for yourself to get ready before performing. Appear pleasant. Take care of your health. Get sufficient sleep. Exercise on a regular basis and include some time for rest and relaxation. Then practice meditation. Regular practice of meditation will boost your inner energy and calmness. Focusing on our breathing is a good method of concentration. Or listen to a pleasant music. Take a walk, pondering on some pleasant experience. Meditation enables you to direct your thinking towards the good. So whatever it's telling is like always focus on some good. Take time to close your eyes, sit in idleness and think of God. Simply close your eyes and give yourself some time. Focus on your breathing. That is one fact. Or take a walk and ponder on the good things of your life. Ponder means think. Think on some good pleasant experiences of your life. Or take some time, sit idly, listen to pleasant music, listen to spiritual music. So all this will come under meditation as well. Like it's a part, it's not holy meditation, it will improve your meditation. Then healthy steps to meet your needs. Suppose you presented a PowerPoint presentation before the whole school. You thought all will appreciate, but nobody valued it. Here you have two choices. You can act either creatively or destructively. Approach your principal, class teacher or good friends and inquire their opinion about the presentation openly. This is a way to get your need for appreciation creatively. It will increase your self-esteem. Or you can think and say, see, nobody congratulated me. Now I will not do anything. They do not like me. It will reduce your self-esteem. Like I asked you to make a PowerPoint presentation. So there are many students I'll appreciate and there are others whom I will suggest to improve. And there are many students who are not doing well. So it is upon you. अगर अच्छा नहीं बनाया है तो टीचर्स के पास जाओ, अपने फ्रेंड्स के पास जाओ, उनसे फीडबैक लो कि कैसा है, क्या है, अच्छे से बना है कि नहीं बना है. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ एस्टीम. बट अगर तुम ये सोच के बैठ जाओगे कि मेरे को कोई पसंद नहीं करता, मेरी चीज़ें मैं कुछ भी करूँ उनको पसंद नहीं आता, सो दिस विल अगेन लोअर योर सेल्फ एस्टीम. सो दीज आर सम प्रिंसिपल्स दैट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इन योर लाइफ. इनको प्रैक्टिस करो एंड इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ एस्टीम. बी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्टफुल, बी सेल्फ एस्टीम्ड. डोंट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर्स, बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन योर सेल्फ. थैंक यू.